We are dealing with question 9 from the chapter 4 agenda questions. Let's read this out. We have somebody named Kea, which for some reason I always want to call Kayla. So Kayla and Fred agree to form a partnership. The partnership agreement requires that Fred invest $2,500 more than 2/3 of what Kayla is to invest. If the total investment in the partnership is to be $55,000, how much should each partner invest? So we have one fairly basic, straightforward piece of information here. We know we have Kayla plus Fred, and it adds up to $55,000. So that's rather nice because there's no fractions, no decimals, and it's already in the standard form. It's this other piece of information that causes us problems. It says Fred must invest, so Fred equals 2,500 more plus 2,500 more than 2/3. So 2/3 of what Kayla is to invest. So this is a problem for two reasons. It's not in the standard form, and we have a fraction in here. So first off, let's get it into the standard form. Fred's in the right place. The 2,500's in the right place. Just Kayla's not in the right place. So we've got to make it negative 2/3 Kayla plus Fred equals 2,500. So that's okay. We got it into the standard form as we've defined the standard as being K first, F second. But we got to get rid of the fraction. In order to do that, we're going to put everything over 3. So we'll have something over 3 times K plus something else over 3 times F being equal to something else over 3. So here, we already know this is -2. Here, this is going to have to be 3F, and 3 times 25 is 7,500. And now the whole point is we don't need the denominator. We just have -2K plus 3F equals 7,500. So we now have two equations in the standard form. So we can work with them. Our two equations are K plus F equals 55000 and -2K plus 3F equals 7,500. So we've got to multiply this top equation either by a +2, and then the k's would disappear, or a -3. Well, I'm going to go for 2, just because it's a smaller number. So times 2. So 2k gives us 2k plus 2f equals 55 is going to be 110,000. Let's make sure we're not screwing that up in any way. Okay, looks good. So when we can now ignore this equation, we add these two. 2 cancels out. 3 plus 2, they're both positive, becomes 5F equals, see what we got here, 7500 plus 110000 is 117500. So F must equal 117500 divided by 5. And what does that equal? 23500. So that's all fine and dandy as far as it goes, but we've now got to plug it into these other equations. The first one, pretty easy. K plus 23500 equals 55000. So K equals 55000 minus 23500. What does that equal? I'm getting 31500, and we hope it equals the same thing when we plug it into the other equation. So the other equation was F, which we think is 23500 equals 2 over 3K plus 2500. So 23500 take away 2500 equals 2 over 3K. So 23500 minus 2500 is 21,000 equals 2/3 K. So we're going to have to multiply through by 3 over 2. So K equals 21,000 times 3 over 2. So 21,000 times 3 divided by 2, and incredibly enough, 31500. So because this equals this, we're pretty happy that this is a good answer. So if our ordered number pair goes in the order of K and F, which is the way we've defined it, then K is equal to 31500 and F is equal to 23500. So that would tell us how much each partner should invest. And that's, if we were to solve this graphically, that's where the two lines would cross.